Hey everyone! Are you ready to start investing and making your money work for you? Click the link in the description below to get a special discount on these amazing apps I'm about to show you. Okay, let's dive into the best apps for teen investors that are fun and easy to use. First up, we have Robinhood. This app is perfect for beginners. You can start with just $5. And guess what? No commissions. That means you can trade without any sneaky fees eating up your profits. Plus, the interface is super clean and easy to navigate. It's like Instagram, but for money. Next on the list is Acorns. This one's for all of you who want to save and invest without even thinking about it. Acorns rounds up your spare change from everyday purchases and invests it for you. Bought a coffee for $3.50? Acorns will round it up to $4 and invest that 50 cents. It's like having a tiny financial advisor in your pocket. Now let's talk about Stash. If you want to learn while you earn, Stash is your go-to app. It offers educational content to help you understand the ins and outs of investing. You can start with as little as $1. And the best part? You get to pick from a variety of stocks and ETFs based on your interests. So if you're into tech, you can invest in companies like Apple or Google. Moving on to Webull. For those who are a bit more serious about investing, Webull offers more advanced tools and real-time market data. It's like having a mini Wall Street on your phone. And yes, it's still user-friendly for teens. Oh, and did I mention the free stocks you get just for signing up? Sounds like a win-win to me. Last but not least, we have GreenLight. This app is not just for investing, but also for managing your entire financial life. It's great for teens because it lets parents set up allowances and track spending. But the best part, you can invest in real stocks with parental guidance. So you get a head start on building your financial future. So there you have it. 5 amazing investment apps that are perfect for teens. Remember, the earlier you start investing, the more time your money has to grow. And don't forget to click the link in the description below to get your special discount and start your investing journey today. Thanks for watching. Smash that like button if you found this video helpful. And don't forget to subscribe for more awesome content on investing and personal finance. Until next time, happy investing!